Hi and welcome back, guys. Bitcoin still keeps ranging here in these lower price areas, and now obviously the question is, for how long will this still continue, and when do we actually finally see here a massive move here back to the upside? So that is something that I want to talk about, and I also want to thank you guys for yesterday. Yesterday I told you I would like to get 17 more subscribers to hit 29,000 subscribers on my subscriber account, and obviously I have misspoken. It should have been 117 that I should have set for 29,000, but in my head I was focused on 28.9 thousand. So obviously that is something that we have achieved. So now it would be amazing if we actually can do 29,000 subscribers. So if you're not subscribed to the channel and you like to watch my videos, please subscribe to the channel, leave a like, and also activate the notification bell. And now let's get here directly into the content, guys. So as we can see on the 1 hourly chart, the Bitcoin price dropped here out of our last support zone here, which was really crucial for Bitcoin also to hold based off this big volume bar that we have here. So yeah, we have obviously broken this support and went here now lower and came into the next support from where we for now got a small bounce back to the upside. And remember, guys, I had told you yesterday that this support down here is also really important, because if we would lose the support, we would go straight down here to around $35,000, because there is, based on the volume profile, only thin air. There's nothing Bitcoin stopping to drop all the way down here. So that's why we see right now here a small bounce. So which is obviously yeah, something positive for the immediate short term, but we need here much more follow through to get here into higher levels again, especially that the point of control is around the $39,100 area right now here for the bears. So if they lose this, then the bulls are back in control, and we will potentially head here then into higher levels. So what I wanted to show you here on the 1 hourly chart is actually, let me make this here a little bit more visible, a bullish divergence. Yep. So you can see the price is trending to the downside, but the RSI is going here to the upside. So, and obviously this can go a little bit more on. So we could come down, so what we could see here is just here a retest of the resistance now, and then we come here down again, come up again, come down again, and then actually go up here and break resistance. So the resistance is actually also where the point of control is here on the 1 hourly chart at $39,100. Only there I would be looking to open a trade, or if we actually getting here all the way down to $35,000, there also would be a nice position to yeah, to open up here. Other than that, based on the volume profile, I would be careful here opening any long positions right now. If we lose here $37,500, it would be a good moment to open a short position, a potential short position all the way down to $35,000. That is something that you might be willing to trade. I will be not trading this, but if you want to short this, that would be a place where I would look for a short, yeah, all the way down to $35,700. That should be roughly 8%, 7% ish. So with a 10x leverage, it's 70-80% that you can bank there quite easy if we are breaking here under the $37,500 level. So that's it for the 1 hourly chart. So what is happening here on the daily chart? So here on the daily chart, there are two things unfolding. They are quite concerning. So the first one is that we could see here, now again, stupid internet doesn't let me draw. I have to use something else to do this. So we could see here an M pattern playing out. So here, so I hope you can see this, because like I said, I cannot draw. So I can do what I want, it doesn't work. So there is a potential M pattern playing out. So, and now I have to steal from somewhere else a line to measure it. So now if this would be playing out, And this is something that I personally don't like so much, besides buying in these lower prices. So then we would actually head to $29,657, So that would be obviously not good at all if we head into these kind of levels, but it would be still a higher low considered with the previous low of $29,053. So on the macro trend, it would be still a higher low, which would be still good. So, and it would then actually still complete our Wyckoff plan logic here. So what if right now the first high point was the one that we should have gotten, so this one here. So, and what if that the second high point is here T right now, here the test, and it actually broke a little bit higher than it should have, and now we actually go to the terminal shakeout from where we start the spring to the upside. Because don't forget, that is, in my opinion, a valid scenario for the time being right now, that this could be actually happening. Even though this here went higher than it should have been, due to the Wyckoff plan. So it would be a little bit distorted, but in my opinion, if we had here now lower and break here also the neckline of, or the support line of that M pattern, then we could definitely see here a further move here to the downside. And yeah, here it's more or less lining up with the short position that I was just talking about at $37,500. There it was. So there. Yeah, there you see, if we break this, this will go potentially even much lower. So it's a good position to open a short. So don't forget, guys, you can do this with the links that I have here under my video and here under yesterday's video. The links are directly here. So on BYBIT, you get $4,100 free for signing up with my link here. And on Phemex, it's $5,100 bonus with using my link down here. It takes just a couple of seconds, guys. It's really quick. Sign up, deposit some money, start trading, claim your bonus, trade with the bonus, withdraw the profits from your bonus, and rinse and repeat the whole process. Really easy, guys. So now let's get here also quick into the weekly chart, because as I had told you yesterday, I'm still waiting here for an upwards move on the weekly chart. So we have closed the weekly candle here with a higher low as expected, and the weekly candle right now is let me zoom in here a little bit. So it's also still higher than the previous one on the low point. So, but obviously if this M pattern on the daily chart is playing out, then Bitcoin is quite in danger here to break this uptrend line to the downside. And then guys, I think the moment for a massive bounce will come if we touch here around $32,000 into this support zone. And let me show you why this is so crucial. So because here, when we touched this support box, we had a massive move to the upside. And when we came back down here again, only bullish candles and a massive move back to the upside. So I believe if this is happening now again, and we come down here, we will see another massive bullish move, horizontal, in a horizontal way, to the upside for Bitcoin. So, and we still have the hidden divergence here on the weekly chart, the hidden bullish divergence that has to play out at some point. So we, like I told you yesterday, we just have to be a little bit more patient here, maybe a week or two maximum in my opinion, and then this divergence should actually play out. What's wrong with my hair today? It just goes wherever it wants. So yeah, just be a little bit more patient. I'm pretty sure that we will see here a move to the upside in the next coming weeks. I can obviously be absolutely wrong, so that's a possibility. I cannot rule this out, but the chart is pointing right now to the fact that we should see a massive move in the immediate short up to midterm. So then on Ethereum, Ethereum has actually maintained to stay here on this upward sloping support line for now on the 4-hourly chart. So you can see this here, these candles So that is obviously a good sign, but the price gets squeezed between this resistance block here and this upward sloping support. So there has also a big move has to happen here in the immediate short term for Ethereum. So that can go on maybe until tomorrow evening, maybe even after tomorrow, after tomorrow in the morning, or up to the evening. In that time range, we have to see a move from Ethereum either to the upside or to the downside. But with how things are looking right now, I would actually tend more to expect a break to the downside, especially if Bitcoin is not playing along. And until this changes, if Bitcoin changes direction, goes to the upside, then obviously it's also more likely that Ethereum will here break to the upside. But until then, I lean here a little bit more bearish for Ethereum in the immediate short term. And guys, don't forget, here you can also still join my paid signals group with the link just down below here, and also the free Telegram channel where we talk about crypto and a lot of other stuff. I'm not sharing signals there, but you can still join and exchange with the community, which are really amazing and super friendly. I never see somebody there going against each other, which is something that you don't see that often, so which is really, really nice. So it's a really lovely community. Click the link to join. And also the paid channel, even though last week was not an amazing week, we still have crushed it. I will maybe leave a screenshot. I will actually share a screenshot in the free group. There you can find then how it was looking last week, and otherwise if you contact here my support, they can also share it with you. So even though last week was not amazing, we were still making profits up to 85% over the whole week, so which is outstanding in that kind of market conditions. So guys, that's it already for today. I hope you enjoyed this quick update. If you did, don't forget, smash up the like button. Thank you for watching. Click the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and I will see you then again tomorrow.